What's up guys, it's John Michael Perez. In this video, we're gonna help you maximize your Instagram account with posts, reels, and stories. I'm gonna get really in depth and we're gonna get a little detailed, so get ready. So the Instagram algorithm rewards posts, reels, and stories that receive engagement. And engagement is when someone likes, comments, replies, shares, or saves your content. The best way to receive better engagement is to ask questions, share heartfelt or meaningful stories, share wins or losses. And in this day and age, the more vulnerable and authentic you get, usually the better the engagement. So I use the 3E formula for getting more engagement: entertainment, educational, and experience sharing. All three equal more engagement. So let's talk about the 3 different types of content you can make on Instagram. So number 1 is posts. These are for more heartfelt posts, generally a picture or something that has a lot of meaning behind it. So for real estate agents, a closing, a story about a client, a story about your family, a story about something you've learned. You can also do longer videos as posts. However, I've noticed that pictures do best when it comes to a standard post. So open up your Instagram app and click on the plus sign on the bottom of the screen. Then look at the bottom of the screen on the next page, and there's typically 4 options. It's gonna be posts, stories, reels, and live. So click on post, and then your pictures from your camera roll will appear. Then you can choose your picture. Now click next on the top right of the screen. And for pictures, it will give you options at the bottom for different filters you can add. I love adding filters, and there's options to add color leaks, which make the picture look really cool. On the top right, you can click on the magic brush icon to touch up the picture. Also, if you go back, right next to the magic brush icon is a music icon in which you can add music on top of your picture. Okay, once you picked everything you want to add to your post, this next part is very important: the caption. One important tip is the caption on the post will definitely create more engagement. I try not to use automated programs to create the caption like ChatGPT, because I notice that the more authentic the caption, the better. Now, this is the final page before you press share. 2 more important features are the tag people feature, and you can also scroll down to add location. Both of these options will allow your post to be pushed out to more people in your area, and also allow you to tag others in the post and the opportunity to push your content in front of their audience. So here's a pro tip: scheduling your post. You can also do this with reels. Scroll to the bottom of the final page and click on advanced settings. Then turn on the schedule this post toggle. You can schedule several posts throughout the week, all in one sitting. Press the back arrow button on the top left, then schedule. And now your post will automatically post at your desired time. Also, don't forget to share your post to your stories. You'll also want to do this with your reels, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. You can do this by clicking on the airplane icon on the bottom of the post, then click add to story. Now you can add a sticker by clicking on the sticker icon. Press in the search box on the top, new post, and it usually creates more interest. So let's talk about reels. Reels are ideal for getting discovered by new viewers. Funny, creative, or educational content does the best. Reels are generally below 90 seconds. You can create a reel straight from Instagram by opening up the Instagram app, going to the homepage, and clicking on the plus icon on the bottom middle of the screen. Once you've picked your video, you can add music if you'd like. You can also add filters by swiping left or right. You can add text or click on the stickers button on the top right of the screen. And there's several options like adding captions or adding a poll. Once you're done and ready, click next. This next part is the same instructions as the ending page of a post. You can tag people, add a location, add a caption, but get creative and play around with making a reel. Also, with reels especially, scheduling your reel is definitely important. I do it on Sunday nights and I schedule them in advance. This helps me not think about it, so I can focus more on real estate lead generating activities. Also, I said it before, but don't forget to share your reel to your stories as soon as it goes live. This will help your current audience be reminded about your reel post, and it will also be pushed out to new people. Also, this is a very important thing that most people don't know about, and it's called collaboration. Collaboration is when you make a post and use the collaboration option on Instagram. You can do this by clicking on the tag people icon on the final screen of a post or reel, and then click the invite collaborator. It will have a search for person bar. Type the person's name in, and once you publish the post, it will send them an invite to post it as well. This is a massive benefit for both parties because you can leverage their audience and collect more eyes on your shared content. Also, I have several lead generating buyer and seller video scripts you can use with the popular app called CapCut. If you want those scripts, send me a message on Instagram and I'll get them to you. You can enter the script inside CapCut's teleprompter, then upload it into Instagram. Be on the lookout on my how-to video with CapCut to help maximize your editing skills. So now let's talk about Instagram stories. Stories are great for connecting with the audience you already have. Casual updates and quick, simple posts are common. Instagram also has built-in tools to make it easy to promote engagement by creating quizzes, polls, event reminders, and more. So to post a story, you can make a story by clicking on the top left of the home screen. It will have a blue circle with a plus sign in the middle. Just like the post and reels on the top of the screen, there will be several icons like stickers, adding text, adding music, or you can click on the three dots and it has effects. You can also draw on the story and also save for later. So with stories, I usually click on the stickers icon, which will open up a screen that has a ton of options to add your story, like adding the location where the post was made. You can mention others, and this may benefit you because they will likely share your story as well. You can add a picture on top of pictures. You can add a backdrop to the picture. You can add questions. This creates engagement, and I just did one recently and it got like tons of people to engage with my story. You can add GIFs, you can add music and polls and much more. Using stickers on your stories is beneficial because it creates more engagement, and I know I keep saying that, but it really does. It also helps your audience stay on your story for longer, and Instagram will push out your story to more people. Also, this is very important. Sharing links on your story is very underutilized by a lot of agents. You can make a post about a property or event and share a link on the story by clicking on the sticker button within the stories, then click on the link button. Add the URL and then share. A big mistake I see is people posting stories when they would be better reels. I highly recommend posting a reel first, as I previously said, then reposting it to your story. This will help cause the most engagement. So this was a lot of information. If you get lost, just go back and rewatch it and apply the steps. I hope this helps get you more eyes on your content, which will help you get more leads. My name is John Michael Perez. You can follow me on Instagram at John Michael Perez, where me and our team share tons of value for agents looking to elevate their business for free. We'll see you on the next video.